And take 2, because last time my SD card corrupted. What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are reviewing some phone cases from Ghostek. They sent me 3 different phone cases, so to keep this video nice and short, let's just jump into it. First up, we got the Nautical 2. It's what they call extreme proof. So it'll protect your phone from water, snow, and other extreme weather conditions. It's rated for up to 1 hour underwater. It can go as deep as 20 feet or 6 meters for my metric friends. Now, I'm not gonna go testing this out in some extreme weather, but if Ghostek wants to actually sponsor a video, I'd be more than happy to show off the actual capabilities of this phone case. Overall, it's a solid case. I wouldn't use this as my case every day because it is kind of bulky because it's extreme proof, but I think of it as a nice vacation case because you can go underwater with it. Next up, we have the Exec 4. Now this one is my favorite of the bunch. It comes with a detachable wallet that can hold up to 4 different cards. What I love about the case is that it has 2 different satisfying textures on it. It has nice grippy edges, and it has this like almost checkerboard pattern where the wallet sits. Without the wallet accessory, it is a very thin phone case, but it still feels very durable. Like I said, it's my favorite of the 3, so overall, I'd say it's a good everyday carry. And lastly, we have the Atomic Slim. It's a pretty standard phone case. It has an aluminum frame and shock absorbing edges. It's also rated to drop at 12 feet and still protect your phone. But again, I'm not gonna test that just in case. Overall, it's a solid case. Have you ever wanted to invest in the stock market but don't know where to start? Sign up for Robinhood today and you'll get 1 free share from a random company stock. Link in the description. Now don't get me wrong, these are all cases that you should buy. I just have a few complaints. The biggest one to me is that the Atomic Slim isn't very slim. In fact, if you detach the wallet from the Exec case, the Exec is a lot slimmer. It's not a crazy thick case by any means, but in my eyes, it's not quite deserving of the slim title. But take that with a grain of salt because I like my cases thin or not at all. Also, one little thing is that I had a hard time pressing the power button when I was using the Atomic Slim, but I think that was just a problem with my case in particular. I don't think it's gonna be something for all of the cases, but I'm not sure. And the other thing I'd like to share isn't really a complaint, but more of an idea for a new case. I love the textures on the Exec case a lot, and I don't really need the wallet attachment. So if you made a case with that bumpy texture all over the back with the grippiness all around the edges, I'd buy that in a heartbeat, especially if you put a little flat circle on the back so I could use my pop socket. At that point, I'd never use a different case again. It's just something to think about. But while you're thinking about that, here's a word from our sponsor, the like button. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, listen to Brittany and smash that like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe if you're new around here and click the bell to get $1 million instantly. It'll work eventually. And before I go, I'd like to give a huge thank you to Ghostek for sending these out. Use the coupon code down below to get 20% off your purchase with Ghostek. But that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. I could feel this all day long.